Today is Sunday, May 25th, and today I learned, I'm not sure if this is going to apply to everyone, but for me specifically, I learned that I need to stop relying on other people in social situations, because I feel like I'm not a total introvert, but I'm for sure not an extrovert. I'm kind of in the middle somewhere, but I do definitely rely on other people to interact like in social situations. Like there are a few people that, you know, I'm comfortable talking with, but recently I've just been learning, like, I have realized that I rely on other people a lot when interacting with people that I don't know as well or whatever, right? So like, especially my sister, right? I always I've been realizing that I rely on her a lot to like start the conversations with other people or whatever. And earlier today, I was talking to someone and it made me realize, like, whoa, I'm not actually relying on anyone right now, and I'm kind of doing this myself, which usually, like, I don't do that enough, which sounds so, like, basic, right? But being social is hard for me. And I don't know, it's just something that I've been trying to work on. It's just something I realize, like, I rely on other people too much when I'm talking to someone that I don't know as well, or I don't know at all, right? And I just need to rely on other people less and kind of figure it out myself a little bit more. Because, like, I've realized that, like, because I've relied on other people, I don't have as much of a deeper, or as much of a, I don't know if deeper is the word, but I don't have as much of a connection with those people, because I've relied on someone else to start that connection. I don't know if that makes sense. But if you create the connection yourself, then you're going to have a better connection with this person you're trying to get to know, right? But if you create the connection through someone else, then that person you're trying to get to know will not have as better of a connection with you, right? So I don't know if that makes sense, and I don't know if this applies to a lot of people, but I'm the youngest, so I've always had someone to rely on in my social situations, and it's not a bad thing, right? But recently I've been realizing, like, throughout summer, I know, like, throughout the summer, and I'm going to be dual enrolling in the upcoming school year, and I just know that I'm going to need to kind of do my own thing now, which is just different, I guess, for me, because I've always had someone else, but now it's kind of going to be just me. And I think it's going to be a great time for growth for myself, and I'm really going to grow a lot socially and just in general, like in life too. So I don't know, that is just a small thing that I learned today. I don't know if this applies, but if this video helped you in any way, shape, or form, then I would love a like or a comment. If you want to see more videos, then definitely subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah, this is the video I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video.